Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi problems. Wi-Fi not working, slow internet, disconnecting, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on this settings app icon. Go down, go to system, tap here. Go to reset options. Then tap on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Read the message. This will reset all Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on this reset button. Done. See the message, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi have been reset. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Wi-Fi settings, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. That's all. After this reset operation, you can go back. Then you can try to connect this mobile phone to a Wi-Fi router. That should work. You can also try to create a mobile hotspot in this mobile phone. That should work. This way we can reset Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi problems. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.